This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Barbie's birthday is today! Any ideas, Ken?
Let's see. Oh, I know.
Hey guys, I've got an idea too. Guys, hello?
Water slides with slime instead of water? No way!
Why not?
Guys, no one ever listens to Sue.
Focus, Ken! We have to work as a team to make a super birthday party!
Right.
Super party, huh? Look what I got. Birthday party kit.
Wow! This is gonna make the party legendary!
I can't wait. Let's take a look at our birthday kit. It has everything you need for the ultimate fun.
So cool! Guys, you can order one of these on our website.
Do you know the first step to throwing a cool birthday party? It's decorations, of course. Let's cut them out.
Here are some scissors for you.
Oh, thank you. Guys, be careful with scissors. Ask an adult to help you. For convenience, first cut out each letter.
It says happy birthday! The party is saved! Yay!
Phew, finished here, huh?
Let's get this party started!
Wait, Sammy, we're not done yet.
I'll get the sweets!
And I'll make the packaging. Where are my trusty scissors? Look how cute it is.
Sue, give me a task too, please.
You're just in time. I have something for you. Can you fill out the invitations and hand them out to the guests?
Sure.
Meanwhile, I will focus on our candy bag. It needs to be folded along these lines. Here's what we got. Isn't it cute?
Done. The invitations are cut out. Now for the hardest part. We need to sign them all. First up is Barbie. Did I spell her name correctly? I think so. Now, the time. And, of course, the address. Great. All set. I need to hurry up. The party is about to start.
Counting on you, Ken. Now let's move on to the popcorn packaging. Don't forget to fold these parts too.
Popcorn delivery! Fresh popcorn is ideal for a party! Take it, Sue!
Right on time, Sammy. Let's put it inside. We'll put the sour candies here, and the gummy bears here. Yummy treats in such pretty packaging will taste so much better.
So many sweets. Yummy, tasty candy. Ouch.
Sorry, pal, but these are party candies.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. These candies have me hypnotized.
Just don't eat too many sweets or your teeth will hurt. Huh? What's that?
Whoa! Whoa! Sue, we need to decorate these drinks!
That's right. I think we have just what we need. Ta-da! Guys, look how cute Sammy looks here. And here we have a beautiful princess.
She looks just like our birthday girl, Barbie. Wait a minute, we have a crown too?
And another one for you.
Look, it's pink.
That's right, guys. Instead of a birthday hat, we'll have a crown. All we have to do now is connect it on both sides. The crown for our little princess is ready.
Look, the princess will even have a carriage.
Our kit has everything you need for a birthday party.
Oh, I hope Barbie likes the party. Huh? My time has come! Piñata! Ah!
It's not a piñata, Sammy, but we have lots of other fun games. We have birthday games to suit every taste. You just need to glue it here. First, let's help our princess get into the castle.
You found the castle so quickly. What other games are there?
We have a word search. You need to find these words. Let's try it. I can't find the next word.
Let me take a look. There it is. Unicorn.
Oh, right. Thank you, Sammy. Here's a creative task for everyone who loves to draw. Look how green suits our pink Sammy.
I look awesome in both green and blue. Sue, I found some more games. Look!
What do we have here? Oh, it's the princess's code. Let's try to figure it out. Look at the symbol and find the letter. It's the letter M. Magic Kingdom.
Wait, Sue. Let's save the rest of the games for the party.
Oh, right. Good call, Sammy. All that's left is to decorate our cupcakes. Ta-da!
Looks great, Sue. I've already hung up all the balloons. And I even wore a Slime Prince costume.
Slime Prince? You can't outshine the irresistible Ken.
We're all set for the party.
I hope I'm not too late.
You're just in time.
Girls, where should I put the gift? I don't know myself.
Ladies, place your gifts here.
Thank you, Sue.
It's so delicious. The best cupcake I've ever had. Everyone, come and try it.
We're coming, Sammy. Save some for us.
Yay! This popcorn is out of this world. Gummy bears are so yummy and chewy. Best snacks ever. Yay! Can I open my eyes now?
Here we are. Ta-da!
Huh? Oh, you guys.
Happy birthday, Barbie. Happy birthday to you.
Huh? Barbie and Ken are already here? They're here! Why didn't anyone tell me?
Finally, everyone is gathered.
Let the fun begin!
Yay!
Barbie, try this grape soda. It's so delicious.
Sammy, save me a bite too.
Are you ready to play some board games? Let's go.
Wow, it looks so interesting.
Ladies, in our first game, you'll need to find some words. Are you ready?
I was born ready. Words, I will find you all. Done. What's that word? Huh? Girls, any ideas? It's spring. No, it's spinach, I tell you.
Wrong! It's princess!
We did it. Yes. Great.
I already found all the hearts in the picture. Anyone want to play tic-tac-toe now?
It can't be again.
You will be the prettiest pony ever! Yeah!
And on this page, we have 2 more games.
Let's do the boxes, Sue! I want the boxes!
Great idea, Sammy.
Then we will match the shadows.
And I'll be coloring.
There's going to be a duck! I can feel it!
Coloring is so hard.
Let me help you. How do you like it? I think it turned out great.
Hi, everyone! How are you doing?
Your pranks again, Sammy? Can you help me put our princess together?
Of course, Sue! Don't forget to glue that thing over there. And this one, too.
Isn't she adorable? Thanks for your help.
Sure thing! Let's keep the party going. Yay!
He has Ferdinand's eyes.
Poor Ferd. He was always so proud to be a frog.
It's too sad. Even I need a cuddle.
Buddy cuddles, now is not the time.
All right, Ferdinand Frog is now a pig. There's no reason to panic. We can figure this out.
That must be the Penguin Pirates. I asked them to come over to see if they saw what happened to Ferdinand at the harbor.
Do those penguins look like pigs to anyone else?
It looks like the penguin pirates were turned into pigs too. But how and why?
I never thought I'd say this sentence, but if only pigs could talk.
Oh, Sir Kitty Cat, you're brilliant! This is a pig language dictionary, a gift from the porcine royals years ago. Maybe it will help.
Thank you, Countess. We're going to need all the help we can get. Lady Fiona, Truman, Sir Kitty Cat, let's go look for clues. Countess Elizabeth
Elizabeth.
Say no more, Princess. I'll stay here in case any other victims of pig transformation turn up. Oh, and keep the castle from complete and total ruin. No, pigs. Those pillows are crushed velvet. Oh.
We'll start by searching the pirate penguin's boat. Maybe we'll find a clue.
Hold on. The last ones on this boat became pigs. Are we sure we want to go on board?
How can you say that? Think of our dear friend Ferdinand Frog.
Good point. He's a pig now, too. I'll just be going now.
No one's turning us into pigs, I hope. Princess Billy, maybe we should go back.
We need to find out who is turning our friends into pigs.
Too bad they can't talk.
Maybe if we follow them, we'll find out who's behind all this.
Great idea. Let's go.
Lady Fiona, promise me if I turn into a pig, you won't let me wallow in the mud. You know how much I hate mud. Promise?
I promise. But wait, if you're a pig, I'll probably be a pig too. Kicking up my hoofs for no good reason. Sir Kitty Cat, promise you won't let that happen.
I might be a little busy scraping mud off my fur.
Did you hear that?
Everyone stay behind me.
No argument here.
Scorch! He wants to turn me into a pig! Who needs a great big... that leprechaun is nuts! Run!
Princess Billy, you see what happens? You take something that's precious to me, I take something that's precious to you.
What's he talking about?
Now you've had a taste of my vengeance. You'd better give me my house back.
Seriously, this leprechaun is nuts.
You guys! Shush!
Ah!
Oh no, not again! Lady Fiona, I failed you.
I'm giving you 3 hours to give me my house back, or I'll turn everyone into a pig. Huh.
I don't know how or why this leprechaun's house has disappeared, but we've got to find it.
And fast, before he turns Majiki into a kingdom of pigs.
Or we could run away from the lunatic leprechaun and start another non-pig kingdom. Far away from here, right?
Oh, wait, the only person who can help us is Ed the Wizard.
Huh? Hey, wait! Don't leave me here all by myself! Wait!
I'm sorry, Your Highness, but I have no idea where his house could be. Leprechauns are very secretive creatures who hardly ever show themselves, let alone their houses.
You were my last hope, Ed. So what are we going to do?
Yes, what? Besides drink all the milk we can while we can.
Did you ask the leprechaun why he thinks you have stolen his house?
No, it's true. We didn't ask why.
More pigs!
The leprechaun must be nearby. Come on! Excuse me, Mr. Leprechaun?
Princess, no! Don't speak to the scary leprechaun!
What?
Why do you think I stole your house?
Because I saw it. Your carriage. I saw it speeding off right when my house disappeared. Watch this.
That's not Billy's carriage. That's the twin princess's carriage. See?
I think a certain crazy leprechaun owes us a great big apology. I'm sure you're sorry on the inside.
Stop it, please! Come with us and we'll find your house together. My carriage is just over there. I'll show you. It's not the same one. Please? Fabulous! How do I look? Fabulous. Me? Don't bother to answer. I already know. Once again, the kingdom is in grave danger because of you two, and you don't even care! La 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 la, I can't hear you! Never mind, no one can spoil our good mood today, not even you, Princess Doom and Gloom.
Do you even know what's happening out there?
No, and we don't care. We found this amazing giant bottle of perfume in the forest.
My house! You shouldn't have taken something that doesn't belong to you.
We're sorry! Don't turn us into...
Oh, dear house, I never thought I'd get you back.
You have to forgive the twin princesses. They didn't mean it. Sometimes they do things without thinking.
Mr. Leprechaun, will you please turn our friends and the other people of the kingdom back to their usual selves?
I'll turn your friends back, but these two will have to wait a while.
We can live with that.
Oh, won't you please calm down? Oh, not the royal garden. Watch the geraniums.
Oh, let me try, Countess. Oinkly, oinklet.
You're wasting your time. Whatever language you speak, those two never listen to anything. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy.